Want a clean typewriter effect in DaVinci Resolve? Here's the easiest way to do it. Open the Effects library and drag Text Plus onto your timeline. Move your playhead to the very beginning of the text clip. Open the inspector and type out your text. Now, scroll down until you see Right On. Grab the end slider and drag it all the way to 0. Now, click this icon to create a keyframe. Next, move your playhead to where you want the typing to finish. Now, grab the end slider again and drag it back to 1.0. And just like that, you've got a smooth typewriter effect. And if you're looking for some recommendations, here are some of my favorite typewriter style fonts. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve tips.